friends. But yeah, we're best friends. We can argue. No, arguments are no. It's not just marriages. It's if you read the book that we recommend, how to influence, how to.
The title of today's email is 10 years marriage with 2 kids is over. Both sides failed to stay true to each other, and after 10 years, the truth went out. Now they are arguing, and one side keeps hurting the other every time she can. She keeps telling mean things, cussing, aggression. She wants him to move out, and they have 2 kids, 16 and 10. What should they do?
What do you think? I'm not going first.
What should they do? We don't know what they want to do.
Because it looks like it's a third party asking this for a person.
Yeah, she's asking for